If you're looking for the best-in-class service and repair options for your electronic devices, iFixScreens Lake Grove is the place to be. We are a full-service electronic device repair shop, offering the best quality service in town. Our goal is to make sure that you leave our store feeling confident that your repaired device will work like new, but better. We offer same-day repair service for any of your repair needs, including Samsung repairs, Apple Watches, and iPhone repairs in Lake Grove, New York. We have certified experts who can help with all of those things on your old and new devices alike. You can also ask for our best-in-class gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. We're committed to your satisfaction and offer a 180-day warranty on all the parts we install in devices. If you come into our store, we'll offer you the lowest repair costs around, whether it's for a battery replacement, camera repair, or iPhone screen replacement in Lake Grove, New York. We offer 2 service options, walk-in or mail-in. Whichever one you choose, we're there for you. If you have any questions or need help with your device, give us a call at 631-265-5538. If you would like to know more about the services we offer, please visit our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/lake-grove-ny. If you're ready to stop worrying about broken devices and start enjoying them again, visit the iFixScreens Lake Grove store today.